कैसे हैं आप सब? मुझे पता है मैं बहुत दिनों बाद वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ and it took me so long. I'm so sorry, I was busy, but I am very happy with the video that came up, and this video will help you all a lot. I know you all must be having a lehenga which you all have worn just once, and you all must be thinking यार इसका क्या करें. So I was also thinking the same thing, so I came up with the idea of pairing 3 elements of lehenga, dupatta, top and bottom in 3 different ways, so that nobody knows it's one lehenga. You can create 3 different outfits, and I have did the same thing, and I'll insert the image over here. I just drew it, and this was the lehenga I paired up. It was a white chicken lehenga, and you all know chicken is so much in fashion, and you will see that how it has came out, and I'm very happy with the results. Without wasting any time, let's just get right into the video. You all enjoyed the video. Happy Holi guys, and see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye, love you, peace out.